Sooner or later, as a Python programmer, you are going to work with images. What do I mean by working with images? Because everyone works with images, right? They view photos and pictures on Instagram or Facebook. But as a Python programmer, your work is going to be a little bit different. You are going to process images, not just view them. And to be able to process images, to handle images, to manipulate them, you need to understand how an image is, what an image is made of, and how Python handles images. Images are made of pixels. If you zoom in every image, you're going to see that the smallest unit is a pixel, and every pixel has one single color. For example, here I have printed out a very small image. It's 5 by 4 pixels. Normally, nowadays, images are 3000 by 1000 pixels or in that range. But I chose a very simple image just to demonstrate the idea. So, even though you see colors here, in Python, that is translated into numbers, or vice versa actually. In Python, we create some matrices of numbers, and those matrices are converted into images. So this matrix is 5 by 3, and this is also 5 by 3. Why is it a 3D matrix, you'd ask? Well, because in this direction we have this, and in that direction we have that, and the depth symbolizes the pixels. For example, each pixel here, we have green and we have red, for example. Now, each pixel is made of 3 colors. So each color is made of 3 other colors, 3 main colors, which are red, green, and blue. So every color is a mixture of the intensity of different colors. For example, if you give 20% of red and 50% of green and then 70% of blue, you'll get something like greenish to blue, maybe something like that. I don't know, I'm just guessing. So this direction, these 3 numbers will collapse into one number. So we are mixing the 17 reds, let's say the intensity, and 147 green and 12 blue. So they will combine into one value which symbolizes one color. Now, what is this in Python anyway, this matrix? Well, this could be a list, a 3-dimensional list, or a NumPy array. Normally it would be a NumPy array because NumPy arrays are more efficient than lists. So normally what you do is to create this kind of image or any other images from nothing, you would create a NumPy array and then convert that NumPy array into a JPG or PNG image. So a NumPy array, what it is you have this list in this direction and this list in this direction, and you also have this direction with numbers, and all that collapses into an image. So basically, when we have this NumPy array, we tell a library such as Pillow or OpenCV, we tell that library, oh, get this 3D matrix and give me an image out of that. And we tell the library that our first layer is the red layer, our second layer is the green layer, and the third layer is the blue layer. So the library knows how to make a color out of each of these 3 numbers. And so everything collapses into an image. So I hope that explains to you what images are, and you'll need this when we process some images in the next lectures. Thanks.